Haba ba 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 ba. Shaba ba ba. Yes. Today part start talk about them Chinese people. Where they are Jamaica. And the Jamaican people, them make the Chinese people, them take the piss out of them. And I disrespect them. And I talk to them in certain manner. Yes. Haba ba ba ba. I burn them like fire. Ba 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 ba. I want to say Jamaican people. Just because the Chinese people must sell this and they must sell that. Somehow no hopping at them. Go down at Chinese shop and Chinese man say, yeah, run joke with Chinese man and Chinese man a laugh off of you. Well, you ask me what me I drink for. Enough for them Chinese we don't try to talk patwa. And I run, you know. And I disrespect, you know. You know why? Because you're not too licky and run up here. Licky and run up here and friend of Chinese people when you go down and shop. And Chinese people that chat to you like you're old shit. And you still have to spend your money with Chinese people. Go on the next shop around the sun. Me say them a talk about down a Rockabessa, be Chinese people take over Rockabessa. And uno have the power. The people with money in them hand, and them have the power. The people them where buy stuff, and them have the power. And you know as well, to my Jamaican, especially the foreigner, we don't want nothing. We don't sell nothing. We only buy. We feel we shop and we stall and we store and we wholesale with them. You know what? Me not cost no pussy. Cause them no pussy and them something. Cause pussy a good something. But when I say people, stop by a Chinese people them shop. You can't do that. Stop by the Chinese people them shop. That is the thing. If you don't buy a Chinese people them shop, you can't go spend your money with somebody. Because I not spend my money with no boy or no girl who talk to me in a certain manner like you have try disrespect me. Like you try go and like say you're more than me or something. After you're more than me. And we are the first people them upon the earth then say. And seem like we the last I back. Me I watch something and me hear one youth I say how great black people is and what black people doing in the past and what black people was the first people on earth and this and that. And me I tell you say, you see if we are the first people on earth, right now we are back eye line. So somewhere along that line have we been the great people on earth and the sons and daughters of kings and queens. And we there, I back eye line where some little Chinese people can come from China in a food country of Jamaica and come build up big supermarket and store and chat to we any manner and any way and the government help them and then them a chat to we in any manner and any way and we still go down at them shop. Go buy stuff down at them shop like say we are idiot. You remember what day when the little girl get boxed by the Chinese woman? When the girl get boxed by the Chinese woman and nobody not defend it and people in there laugh. This is the kind of thing what me I talk about. When the Chinese people make uno seem like say uno a second-rate citizen in our own country. But the problem is, you know, if they make we seem like we are second-rate citizen in a full own country, we still have the anger because guess what? And we go shop go buy stuff. We are tell me say, me not there at Jamaica right now, so I don't know the fullness. And some boy follow me and tie up their head to it, but you know, a style. And the hot people have to do it. We have the money, and we are spend the money, and we are buy the things them. So for now, we are buy the things them. If me I buy something from you, my mother, one lady where she kind of stushish. So she go to Natabe one day. Me and her go out there. The little youth, me go out there with my mother. And she buy some yam from a lady. And the lady said, black woman and everything, you know. The lady said, the yam cost so and so, you know. But me I give you for so and so. My mother walk away and while she walk away, so you know, give me nothing, you know. I buy me yam, you know. But in a fair woman device, I buy the yam, you know, give me nothing. And when I walk away and go buy the yam from some other lady. You see me? So some people have not say you have to be so drastic because in my views that was a bit drastic of my mom to just, you know, because I know what the lady means and I give for that. But my mom different and stush and you know fear one away. You see me? And mommy say me go buy the, you know, give me nothing. I go buy the yam from some, and when me walk, I go buy the yam from somebody else. So I same way, when you go there, look at dirty Chinese people at shop, and them a chat to you like say, well, and you have the money where them want. Not because them have the flour and the mackerel and the sardine and the whatever you try buy from them. You have the money. Everybody has sell something to transfer it or exchange it into money. Yeah? So, when you are going to exchange your money and the customer service is nil and the customer service is disgusting, you're not in on chattings with no people over your money, and no people are contracting and liberty and be feisty and how they want to be with you over your money. And I come talk to you in some dirty man. Why you ask me what me a drink for? You're too fast, I say Chinese. Why you me can't talk like them? Why you them a try talk patois and you going in a shop? Yo Chinese, why you drink Miss Chin? Yeah, Miss Chin to you. You're too fast. Why you ask me what me a drink for? Where you want? On so fast. You wrong. Are you a friend of shopkeeper? Where you think shopkeeper go trust you? And trust you something? We're not too friendly with people we're not spending no money with, and the same people we're not spending no money with, and them are disrespect, you know. Not depend that with nobody. Nobody when me spend my money with can't chat to me now when I come out in your shop and go buy it somewhere else and prove to you say, you know when your woman come in, if your woman begs with you and you come in at the house and she throw down your food here, so me not eat that. Give me my food pleasantly. Or when you begs with me, give me the food pleasantly. Yeah. So when a Chinese person come chat about chat, because me see it out and not a be, I said me where I come from, me see it out and not a be, you know. Then they put one high sitting up in there and I watch everybody in our shop and I chat to people in whichever manner they like. Yeah? Me not play that game there. Not for my money. So uno Jamaican people will live at Jamaica right now, and any Chinese people in them shop are disrespect uno chat to in any way. And uno cause it for uno self. Yeah? And uno cause it. And uno talk about Chinese not paying no tax. Uno for sure resilience and go so and don't buy them shop and go buy a little black brother shop down there so. Go buy your black brother. Mr. Joe around the corner we have a little shop and Miss Matty. Go round a Miss Matty little shop round there so, or run a Mass Joe little shop round there so, or the next person have them little shop at them yard gate, go feed them shop and love out the Chinese people they shop. And uno have the power of the money, power is in the money. And uno know these things because uno love money and always want money. So the same Chinese people them, they want to know money and chat to uno in any manner and still get to know money. Them can't deal with me not gonna say bad man, because I'm not bad. Me a good, me a girls man. But I go for buy a Guineas at a Chinese shop now and China say, hey, honey pastor boy, where? Go ahead. You don't even have enough money to buy the Guineas. Alright, next time you have enough money to buy the Guineas, but fuck off and go the black man shop around so. As me I say, black people need to spend their money in a black community. The money don't stay in the black community. The money gone to China right away. The money gone to China. You can't chat to me. You can't diss me. Me have my money I spend. If I go buy one shoes down a Clarks right now, and the person in a Clarks I come flip up. I not bother buy my shoes there so. I mean I call the manager and say like fast year go on like him wicked, you know. And I kick him in the face with a Clarks. I box him with one of them shoes in my hand. That you want me to do? But I not if you do violence, you know. Me I say be more diplomatic about things and just take with yourself. And say my money you can't get that. And everybody in a community if you come together and say my money you can't get that. And show power. More time nothing not change unless you change it. See me show power. The money is the power. People want your money, talk to you properly. Sell me the right thing. You can't box all my little daughter so and things in Vegas I can come beg it out. Hey Chinese girl, what do you? You're mad? Enough other situation where they might deal with people in some way when I work. The Chinese people can't chat to me no more. I mean I disrespect the Chinese people. Matter of fact me I disrespect some Chinese people. Fuck off too. And go back to your blood clot place. Bumble ass clot. If it's not a manners, don't come here. Yeah? And people of Jamaica, stand up. And don't make them can diss you know, and chat to you in any manner. And I go on like that. Uno no mind. That joke you want make man. And when your black brother says something to you that is kind of disrespectful, you tell them to go suck your mother fast. And you not tell Chinese girls to go suck your mother Chinese bitch. Go make your mama shit in your mouth. You not do that. I'm not joke out this. I know weed this. So it's tobacco.